In this video, we will share with you the simplest and safest methods to gradually resolve the issue of the iOS 26 update taking forever. Fix 1. Check Apple's server. When iOS 26 is released or during major updates, Apple's servers may get congested. If the update is slow, check Apple's system status page. If iOS software update is marked as abnormal or under maintenance, wait a few hours or try updating the next day. Fix 2. Check network connection. An unstable network connection is a common cause of slow iPhone updates. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, as using cellular data is not recommended. Step 1. Go to Settings Wi-Fi. Step 2. Confirm that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Try disconnecting and reconnecting, or switch to a faster network if available. Step 4. Avoid using public Wi-Fi or networks with weak signals. If the issue persists, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset Network Settings. This will reset your network settings, which may help resolve the issue. Fix 3. Charge the iPhone. If the battery is too low, iOS will pause the update to prevent shutdowns. Use the original or certified charger to keep your iPhone powered, ensuring the battery is above 50%. It's best to update while plugged in to avoid interruptions. Fix 4. Force restart the iPhone. If the update screen freezes, a force restart can help. For iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 7 Plus, press volume down and sleep wake until the logo appears. For iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, press home and sleep wake simultaneously until the logo shows. Fix 5. Check iPhone storage. The iOS 26 update not only requires download space, but also extra space for unpacking and installation. If there isn't enough space, the update may get stuck. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Step 2. Check if the available space is at least 68 GB. Step 3. Delete unnecessary photos, videos, or apps to free up space. Step 4. After cleaning up, try the update again. This should help ensure that the update has enough space to process and install properly. Fix 6. Update to iOS 26 via iTunes or Finder. If the OTA over-the-air update keeps failing, using a computer to update is often more stable because it can avoid network fluctuations on your phone. Using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later. Step 1. Open Finder and connect your iPhone to the Mac using a USB cable. Step 2. Select your iPhone in the Finder sidebar. Step 3. Click on Check for Update. Step 4. If an update is available, click Update and follow the on-screen instructions. Using a Windows PC or Mac with macOS Mojave or earlier. Step 1. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Select your iPhone when it appears in iTunes. Step 3. Click Summary Check for Update. Step 4. If an update is available, click Update and follow the prompts. Fix 7. Delete the update and re-download it. If the update file itself is corrupted, re-downloading it can often fix the issue. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Step 2. Find the iOS update file in the list. Step 3. Tap on it and select Delete Update. Step 4. Go back to Software Update and re-download and install the update. This will remove any corrupted update files and allow you to get a fresh copy of the update. Fix 8. Fix iPhone taking forever to update using iOS System Recovery. If the update issue persists, it may be due to a system-level problem. Continuously retrying could make things worse. In such cases, using a professional tool like iOS System Recovery is a reliable solution. It can fix issues like stuck updates, Apple logo loops, and update failures without causing data loss. Step 1. Launch the program on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB cable. In the program, click More Tools and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Click Start at the bottom of the screen. The program will automatically scan your iPhone and display possible issues, such as the red screen of death, unresponsive screen, iTunes error 21, iPhone error 2009, and more. Step 3. Verify your iPhone's details. If everything looks correct, click Repair to begin fixing your device. If needed, select the correct model before clicking Repair.